Well, normally it starts with a cup of tea and with us sitting down and having the time to talk through the problems that you're having. We would take a full case history and then we would normally test your hearing in a soundproof booth so that we can ascertain the level of hearing loss you may have. We also do some speech in noise testing to establish if there's a problem there. This is then normally followed with a discussion to take you through the results and to explain what those results mean to you and how we might move forward with trying to solve the problems that you come to us with.